Complaint 485609 alleges unequal treatment by the Grand Rapids Police Department of Honesty Hodges on December 6, 2017. Police were in pursuit of a middle-aged white woman who was a suspect in an attempted murder. Officers pointed their weapons at Honesty, who was black, as she exited a house they had under surveillance and placed her in handcuffs in a police cruiser. Honesty at the time was an 11-year-old juvenile who did not fit the description of the suspect, was compliant, visibly afraid, and in tears. The Grand Rapids Police Department was unable to show evidence of white children who were held at gunpoint, handcuffed, searched, placed in a squad car, and questioned, in this case during the search for an adult suspect of an entirely different race. The Grand Rapids Police Department provided no evidence that they treat individuals of another race the same in similar circumstances. Complaint 610406, filed by Melissa Mason, was in response to a traffic stop on January 20th, 2020. Officers of the Grand Rapids Police Department stopped Mason, who was black, and was driving with 3 children, for an expired plate. Even though reports show Mason was compliant with officers, she was removed from her car, handcuffed, and was held in a police cruiser for approximately 20 minutes. In the process of our investigation, as in the previously described complaint, the Grand Rapids Police Department was unable to demonstrate that people of another race in similar situations were treated the same as Melissa Mason by their officers. Going forward, an administrative law judge will hold a proceeding to consider all the evidence. It will make a recommendation on whether the evidence shows discriminatory action occurred and what penalty should be levied in response. The Michigan Civil Rights Commission will then conduct their own hearing to consider those recommendations and make a final determination, which could include ordering corrective action and/or ordering monetary damages.